Morning guys, coffee maker collecting, fill it with water, a cup's worth, don't fill it to the top, when you come to put the filter in it'll overflow, so I'll put enough water in, filter. The idea is fill it up with water, put your coffee in that filter that I've just put in, screw that on the top, sit it on one of them if you've got a gas ring, if you got them, that sits on there so it doesn't fall through, easy peasy, at about £3.5, £2.5 quid, £3, eBay. Coffee, heap spoon, get it in, and another one, teaspoon, 2 heap teaspoons in that rascal. Just put it down a little minute. That's that. Screw the top on. Stick it on your on the stove. I'll wake up in a minute. Hit that bed with some heat belting. Throw milk in it in your cup, like you would normally, the amount that you would normally have foot brew. Put it in the microwave, 30 seconds. Pull it out. Then add your sugar if you want your sugar. If you put your sugar in first with the milk and put it in the microwave, sometimes you can overheat the milk and turn the sugar, caramelise it a little minute. We don't want in that, so that's that. Milk, microwave it 30 seconds, sugar that you want in. This thing here, that turns to steam, it travels up to the top, coffee comes out, fills up with coffee, belting, put it in your brew. Morning.